How to export Salesforce data to Google Sheets via SOQL with G-Connector. Salesforce Object Query Language, abbreviated as SOQL, allows Salesforce users to search data in their org and retrieve specific information. G-Connector offers a powerful tool to get any data from Salesforce into your Google Spreadsheet using SOQL. With G-Connector, you can pull data to Google Sheets without limits, easily building the query on the fly with point-and-click tools. Let's start by clicking Launch from G-Connector's menu. This action opens a sidebar with various options. Select Import Data, then choose SOQL Query from the list of options. If you're a query professional, you can simply enter or copy-paste the query in the big text box and run it. If you need some help, controls in this dialog box will help you build a query even if you don't know much about the expected syntax. Controls in the Get Data dialog are there to help you build a correct query, providing you a view into your Salesforce schema and making sure you're using the correct object names, field names, and pick list values. To start building a query using these controls, you need to select the object from the Object drop-down list: Account, Opportunity, Contact, Case. These are all Salesforce objects. Plus, you certainly have a number of custom objects that are specific to your Salesforce org. Then, select the fields you want to pull by checking off checkboxes next to them. To find a field, type in part of its name in the search box. G-Connector lets you drill down into related objects and bring fields from there as well. Up to 5 levels of object relationships are supported. Click on the Conditions button to define any filters for your data. In the Filters editor, you'll be able to set up a cell address or named range to take a filter value for making your query dynamic, which means that it'll return different data based on the input in the workbook. The Get Data dialog box offers additional options when creating a query, such as displaying labels instead of API names, creating drop-downs for pick list values, freezing the header row, autofilling formulas, or retrieving deleted or archived records. It also provides the option to pull the data to a brand new sheet or the sheet you're currently working on, and 3 options for data refresh behavior: overwrite the existing data, append to the end of the sheet, or create a new sheet. These options determine how data is updated upon refresh. The Scheduler tab enables the setup of automatic data refreshes at your chosen frequency. Once configured, ZapX Connector ensures your data remains up to date without further input. Automatic refreshes can also be adjusted later through the Schedule Automatic Data Operations option. After finalizing your settings, click Get Data to populate your spreadsheet with the selected data. Once the query runs successfully, it can be refreshed either automatically or manually by clicking on the Refresh button in the Connector UI. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.